Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this very tasty, delicious and easy to make breakfast recipe. This one you can easily make it before going to work. It's something that you can easily put together in less than 20 minutes. But before I get started, please ensure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video as well. The first thing you want to do is to fry some plantains. Feel free to cut your plantain into desired shape. I cut mine into round shape. You're just going to fry this till it's golden brown and then set it aside. Now reduce the oil in your pan and then fry some ground beef. You can use sardine, chicken frankfurters and the likes. If you're using chicken frankfurters, you're going to do it this same way I'm doing it. If you're using sardine, you don't have to fry it, okay? Any protein of your choice just works, okay? So because I'm using ground beef, I fried it with my peppers, onions and bell peppers. I'm going to stir that all to combine and I'm just going to set it aside and let it cool before adding it into my cracked eggs. If you need to season it, rather just adjust the seasoning. I did adjusted mine and then I poured it into a pan that has oil in it. The oil in my pan was too much. Please don't use too much oil like this. So I began to place my plantain on it. Mind you, please do not on your gas cooker while doing this, or your cooker while you're doing this. The reason why I said that is because you do not want your egg to fry before you're done placing your plantain on it. You can as well just do this and transfer into your oven, but I'm just teaching you how to do this on your stove top without it getting burned, or some part of it will get done while the other part won't get done. So like this, I covered it up. Make sure to cover it, okay? I covered it up and then I fried it on very low heat and the result was very nice. You're going to love it. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this out. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye guys.